Hey everybody, welcome back. These are the console challenges for the JavaScript overview of Module 0. And as always, the video walkthrough of this lesson is going to go right here. And definitely want to throw this out there because, well, it might be the case that you are a little bit worried that there are challenges that are being asked of you when you really haven't done that much yet. But we're not here to understand this code just yet. We are here to successfully navigate to the JavaScript console, paste some code, and then hit enter. Provided you can do that and then observe what happens, you are in great shape to be able to move on to the next lessons. So with that in mind, the first one is please open the developer console and paste the following code within it. Okay, so I'm going to open up the developer console by going up to View, hitting Developer, and then JavaScript console. I'm also, since eventually I am going to do this, I'm going to change the theme to dark just because I'm not even going to give a reason, I just like it. So variable answer is equal to 4, console.log should be true, answer equals 4. Again, fun to look at the code and read it, but at this point, don't need to understand what's going on there. I'm going to hit plus one more time so it's a little bit wider, and we'll slide this over so everything's all on one. Okay, so after pasting the code, hit enter. Should be true, true. So what's been logged to the console, true, false, should be true, true. I'm going to select this and then hit check answer. And nothing's going to happen because I've actually done this before, but yours will probably have like a little bar, like a wheel, and then it'll say correct. So cool. In the next one, we're going to input some JS code that's going to affect the website's display rather than just the console, which that'll be fun. So while on this page, open up the developer console and paste these lines of code. So a couple of things. If I want to clear the console output, I can go ahead to the top and hit clear console, and that's going to do the trick. The other thing that I could do is hit Command K, and there's a ton of things like that, where there's like 5 ways to do everything, or I guess just 2 in this case. But there's probably another way. I think you can hit Control L. No, that's not going to work. So we'll do Control K. And the console is cleared. Now if I want to get to the last command that I did in the console, I'm going to hit up, could run it again, and hit clear this time to get rid of it. A lot of times these videos are going to feature things like that, where when it occurs to me, I'll just go over brief things with you. A lot of times, don't worry about those things. Those are a matter of exposure and experience, and the more you see and get yourself exposed to new things, the more the important stuff will begin to stick. So let's come back over here and follow the instructions. We're going to, and also if you want to, you can go back to the JavaScript overview to get some details on how to open up the console and everything. So now that I've highlighted all of this, I'm going to copy it by hitting Command C. I'm going to come over to the console and hit Command V, or I could come up here to edit and just hit paste. And that's going to do the same thing. After pasting the code, hit enter and carefully examine the page. So I'm looking at the page here, and I've got my code on the console, so I hit enter. As you can see, something here changed. The title and a bunch of things kind of are now different. So if we scroll down and we look at the options, the title of the challenge changed its contents and color. That seems like a winner. The question box disappeared. Nope. Several pictures appeared in the margins. I see no pictures. And nothing happened. Well, something definitely happened, and it's the first one. I guess the first one is the correct answer for both of them. Well, that's okay. It's an introductory course. So if we come down here and we hit check answer, nothing's going to happen because we got it correct. Actually, let's see what happens when we get a wrong answer. Okay, so it'll say error, try again. So if we come back up here, we can check the answer and get it correct. So that's pretty much it for this lesson. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.